Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another tutorial on the How to Computer YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this crosshair kind of pointer thing that a lot of people are using nowadays and a lot of people want to know how to get. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come into your search bar and type up mouse settings, and then this will open up a sort of, can't really see it in my mouse cursor at the moment, but it'll open up this menu, and then you just want to come over to additional mouse options. When you click on that, it's going to bring up this little box that you can click on, and you just want to go over to pointers. Once you've done that, it'll come up with all these. You can click on this, it'll come up with all these different options. These are the ones that I've installed, which look different. If you want me to do a video on them, let me know in the comments, and I will make sure to do that. But you will have here by default this one, which is just the default cursor. So to change it, you want to click on browse and scroll down until you find C, and you've got a bunch of different crosses. The one that most people are using is the I, which is inverted, because otherwise it comes up as a sort of thin little thing. So what most people are using is the I. So there's the normal sized one, there's the medium sized one, and the large sized one. It's up to you which one you want to use, but I like the just normal sized one. So you just want to click on it, click open, hit apply, okay, and your mouse cursor should be looking like this in no time. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tell me any things that you want me to do in the future, and I will make sure to put those videos out. Leave a comment saying if this worked for you or not. Ask me any questions, give me video ideas. So hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.